Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. In Microsoft Word, the look and feel of your document has a lot to do with the formatting choices you make. If we added some formatting to this flyer, for example, we could really make the text stand out so it grabs the reader's attention. I'd like to start by selecting the text that says "for rent" and making it bigger like a proper title. Just go to the font group on the Home tab and locate the font size box. You can enter the exact font size you want or click the drop-down arrow to select one. You'll see a preview of the results as you go down the list. I think 48 looks good. Maybe we could go a little bigger though. Shrink and grow are two other options for quickly changing the size of your text. All you have to do is click the command and perfect. To change the actual font, click the drop-down arrow here. Then make your way down the list. You'll get that live preview again. I think I'll go with this one. To view your options, click the arrow next to the font color command. You can go with one of the theme colors here. Or if you don't, this peach color should look nice with the color scheme we already have. Another way to make your text stand out is to use bold, italic, or underline. Both should be a good choice in this example. Now the text really calls attention to what I'm advertising. I wonder what it would look like in all uppercase though. Luckily, I don't have to retype it. I can just use the change case command to change it automatically. Let's take a look at the rest of the flyer. As you can see, there's something I need to double check before I print the final copy. I think I'll use the highlighter tool to mark it that way. I'll remember to fix it later. Just click the arrow next to the command that says text highlight color, then choose the color you want. Yellow should be just fine. Now for the finishing touch. Adjusting the placement or alignment, we'll start by selecting all the text on the flyer. The alignment commands can be found in the paragraph group. Your options include left, center, right, and justified. I think centered is what I had in mind. It makes the flyer look much more professional. And there we go. What a big difference formatting can make.